In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for the task of day 5. I had asked you to review the prior literature review section of the first SLR paper from your collection. I have done the same, and I'm going to show you the how I have tagged different sentences from the papers that I have selected. You can see the tags that I've done in the description of this video, and if you have done something similar, please do share that in the comments below, and I'll be very happy to read them. And yeah, that's the day 5 of the task of the day series. So I'm very happy that you are here and quite excited and motivated to work on your SLR. And I'm enjoying equally sharing my knowledge with you and helping you get your first SLR in a top tier journal. Thank you very much and enjoy the weekend. I really don't expect you to work on anything more. I'm not going to give you any more tasks for the weekend. So you have started, that is very important, and those 5 days till now, if you have committed to work and complete the tasks on time, that's really good. I congratulate you for doing this, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the time and have a good weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday next week. Bye bye.